Hello friends, and welcome to this week's video on how to do series in Excel. Series is, for example, if you want to make a list of numbers like this. Have you been traditionally just by going like in this format to drag down your numbers? I'm going to show you a better way and a more efficient way to do that, because this can be quite slow if you had to reach a number, for example 1,000. And what would happen if you had to do more than one column and they had different values? So say for example, one column had 1,000, another one had like 940, and the other one 15, and another one 523. You'll be spending a lot of time doing that tedious task. Well, good thing for you is I've got a fantastic method which I'm going to share with you straight after this break. Welcome back friends. Okay, so how are we going to do this? I'm going to have two examples for this video. I'm going to do one for 88 and one for 5,000. So you have a smaller number and a large number. So the first thing what I want you to do, and for convenience sake I've placed a set of instructions to the right here so you can follow as I go. So first thing you want to do is input 1 in the starting cell, 1. I press down and up arrow to enter the cell and reselect it. Once you're on this cell, and it's important that you are on here, you'd want to go to the edit menu, to the fill, to series. Now this box will come up. If you want the list to go on the columns, make sure you select columns in the series in section and you enter your stop value. For this instance, it'll be 88. Then you go OK. And instantly, Excel will complete your series to your desired number that you inputted. So you can simply do this for the next one as well. So you go 1, and I go down, up to reselect, go to the edit, fill, series. I want it to be in columns. And this time my end value is 5,000. Press OK. And Excel will finalize it down to 5,000. I'm not going to go all the way down there, just trust me, it goes all the way down to 5,000. Now I'm going to show you how would you make it in rows. Quite simple, instead of pressing columns, you go rows. So same step, 1, down up, edit, fill, series, rows. We are going 350 for this example, 350. Okay, done. And that will go all the way to 350, trust me it does. And that is how you do it, friends. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you find that this tutorial saves at least 5 seconds of your life, please make sure you smash that like button. I will really appreciate it. So till next time, please have a look through my other hacks in Excel to speed up your life, to save more time for you. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye till then.